are from Bannrodfai New Innovator from Bannrodfai School. My project is garbage disposal.
My name is Saharat.
My name is Tumanat.
My name is Pulakan.
My name is Atikan.
Let's see it.
Thank you.
The waste disposal project is for helping our poor earth. Environment has many pollutions. The pollution is the introduction of harmful material into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutions. One of the all is garbage or trash. So that we create this project to help our environment. We start by the simple way for everyone that is segregate garbage in different size type. Just start with the small thing can save many things.